everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this episode, I will be guiding you through how to sign up for Cryptology. In order to sign up and get started with Cryptology, the first thing to do is to download the Cryptology wallet application on your device. Once you've done so, open the app and from the first interface, tap on Create Account. In order to create an account, you will need to enter an email address in the first text box. On the next field where it says Create Password, enter a password you'd like to set up for your account. On the next field, type in the password once again. Soon after you enter both of your password, click on Create Account and follow through the on-screen instructions in order to create a new account for Cryptology. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.